Good morning, my beautiful students. How are you today, girls? How are you? Okay, girls, today we will start a new unit, which is Unit 15 in our book Better English Now. But first, we will take the classroom rules. Number one, follow directions quickly. Two, raise your hand for permission to speak. Three, raise your hand for permission to leave your seat. Four, make smart choices. And five, keep your dear teacher happy. Okay? Now I need you to open your notebook in the handwriting section, then write the day with the date. After that, you should copy this sentence. She has breakfast at 7 o'clock. She has breakfast at 7 o'clock. Okay? Then, girls, if I ask you, what should you do to live a healthy life? I should eat healthy food. I should not watch too much TV. I should drink too much water. I should brush my teeth every day. I should sleep early and I should get up early. Okay? Then, girls, as I told you, today we will take Unit 15, Lesson 1, girls, in our book Better English Now. Okay? Page 70 and 71. Okay? So, first of all, we will start with prepositions of time. What do I mean by prepositions of time? I mean at, in, and on. At, in, and on. When can I use at? I can use at with time. Girls, I need you to focus with me. At is used with time such as at 7 o'clock, at 12:30, at 8:15, at 1:30, and at night, at midnight, and also at noon. Okay, and also what, girls? Sorry, at noon. Okay, so when can I use at? With specific time and with night, noon, and midnight. What about on? On is used with days of the week. أيام الأسبوع. For example, on Saturday, on Sunday, on Monday, on Tuesday, on Wednesday, on Thursday, and on Friday. What about N? N is used with dates, years, seasons, and parts of the day. For example, in 1992, in 1899, in 1443. Also with seasons like in winter, in summer, with months like in June, in July, in August, in September, in October, in November, in December. Also, girls, with parts of the day like in the morning, in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening. Okay, girls, easy. So, in is used with dates, years, months, seasons, and parts of the day. Okay? Now, my beautiful students, we will start taking the first word in my lesson today, which is land. What do I mean by land? أرض. Okay? Land, L-A-N-D. L-A-N-D. Then you will write the word land here between the lines. The second word is, what are they doing? They are praying. So the second word is pray. Pray, P-R-A-Y. P-R-A-Y. Then you will write the word pray here between the lines. After that, we will play running dictation together. Then you will write some sentences here on the board. Okay? So this is the end of my lesson today, my beautiful students. Thank you for listening and watching, and goodbye.